Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video, we discussed about the set as well as boolean value. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the comparison operator. These comparison operators are very useful when you are uh, uh, doing coding, and at the time you need to compare any values from that variables or that of list. So in that case, you use comparison operator. So generally comparison operator allows to compare the variables, okay, and output of that comparison operator is in the boolean values, which are true values as well as false. Okay, so here I write some of the comparison operator. Also I declare two variable. First one is that a, and next another variable is b. In a variable I store the 4 value, as well as in variable b I store the 5 value. So here are the some of the comparison operators. So here first one is that double equal to. So double equal to, its symbol as double equal to, but its work as a equal to operator. So when I write a equal to b, so it compares. In a our value is 4 and b value is 5, so it compare 4 is equal to b, means 4 is equal to b, which is true or false. So it's not true, so it's written false in the output. Same way, 4 not equal to 5. Okay, so a not equal to b means 4 not equal to 5, so it's true, so it's written the result as a true value. Okay, same way, 4 is greater than equal, sorry, a is greater than b, means 4 is greater than b. So 4 is not greater than 5, so it's written the false, means not true. Okay, same way, a is less than b, means 4 is less than 5. This is true condition, so it's written the true. Same way, a is greater than or equal to b, is not greater than or not equal to 5. Okay, means 4 is not equal to 5, as well as 4 is not greater than 5, so it's written the not true value, which is false. Same way, when I write a is less than or equal to b, okay, so in that case 4 is less than or equal to 5, which is a true condition, because 4 is less than 5, so it's written the true value. Same way, I write this sum of the example of equal to. So 4 is equal to 4, so this is true condition, so it's written the true result. Same way, when I write 2 is equal to 0, which is false, so it's written the false. Okay, and one most important difference between double equal to and equal to. So here double equal to work as a comparison operator, and as you know, in as we discussed in previous video, equal to work as a assignment operator. Okay, so here is difference. So for example, I write a is equal to 5, so what happened, it assign the value 5 to the variable a. So here equal to work as a assignment operator, and when I write uh, double equal to, so it's work as a comparison operator. When I write 5 is equal to 5, so it's work as a comparison operator, and it's written the value true here in this case. Same way, not equal to. Okay, if I write 3 not equal to 1, so it's written true. If I write 2 not equal to 2, which is false, so it's written with a false value. Okay, same way, I write for 4 is greater than 1, which is a true condition, so it's written true. Same way, for 2 is less than 4, it is also true. Again I write 2 is less than 1, which is false, so it's written as the false value. Same way, greater than or equal to. Okay, in greater than or equal to case, it firstly check this 2 is greater than that 2, no. Okay, and again it check 2 is equal to 2, which is true, so it's written the true value as a output. Same way for less than or equal to, when I write 2 is less than or equal to 2, so it's written the true, because it checks, first it checks 2 is less than 2, which is false, but again it also checks 2 is equal to 2, so it's written as the true value. Same way I write 5 is less than 2, which is false, so it's written as the false. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about the chain comparison operator. Okay, what happens in chain comparison operator? In chain comparison operator we also include and or. Okay, if I write 3 is less than 4, again 4 is less than 5, so it firstly it checks 3 is less than 4, which is true, again it checks 4 is less than 5. Okay, and if both conditions are true, so it's written the true value. Okay, I can write this in way also, in same way, like 3 and 4 is less than 5, so it also written as the result true. Okay, here I write another example, 2 is less than 2, which is false, and 2 is less than 3, which is true. But in when you use and as a operator, okay, so here in case of and you need to both results are true, then it return as the value as written output as a true, unless it returns always return false. Okay, same way I write another example to check 1 is less than 3, which is true, again 3 is greater than 2, which is true, so it's written the output as true. Okay, next one is also same example I write using the and. Same way like and we can use or also, but in case of or, when if any one of the condition is true, then it return the result as true, unless it return the false. Let's write here. Here 1 is equal to 2, which is false, but 2 is less than 3, which is true, condition, so it's written as the true. Same way I can write here 1 is greater than 2, or 2 is greater than 5, so both conditions are false, so it returns as the false as a output. So friends, this is very basic basic introduction about your comparison operator, and it is very simple, but it is useful when you are doing coding, or if you need to compare any of the operators or variables. So in that case you need to use this comparison operator. Thank you friends.